Good morning. It is my pleasure to be part of this timely conference on IP leveraging in the software, electronics, and green technologies organized by ITAG and BCIC, and to have the opportunity to interact with you all throughout the day. The importance of intellectual property rights cannot be overemphasized in today's knowledge era. It is an undisputed notion that without intellectual property, the progress of innovative and creative industries would die out, or at the very least slow down tremendously. It would not be wrong to say that the software industry has changed the face of India and has shown immense growth in recent years. India's IT industry is reported to have grown from $150 million from 1990 to 1991 to a whopping $50 billion from 2006 to 2007. In the last decade, the IT industry in India has grown at an average annual rate of 30%. This growth has been reflected in both exports in the software and services sector, as well as the surge in the domestic market. The IT sector accounts for 5.5% of India's gross domestic product, up from 1.2% just a decade ago. It is estimated that the IT industry employs approximately 2 million people, making it the largest employer in the organized sector in India. The Indian ITES industry has evolved through three distinct phases. The first phase was mainly export-driven, with little investment in research and development. In the next phase, the Indian IT industry used its domain knowledge to capture a large market. In the current third phase, the IT sector must recognize the importance of innovation and creativity in order to maintain the same impetus for growth. With greater success comes greater expectation of success, and there's only so much that an industry can grow without innovation. The NASSCOM BCG Innovation Report of 2007 states that the Indian ITES industry can tap additional revenue streams worth $50 billion by the year 2012 through innovation. The electronics industry in India presently constitutes just 0.7% of the global electronics industry, but it is growing at a brisk pace. It is currently worth $32 billion. According to industry estimates, however, it has the potential to reach $150 billion in the next 5 years. At present, this industry contributes 1.7% of India's gross domestic product. The largest segment in the sector is the consumer electronics segment. As with the software industry, intellectual property is a key ingredient for promoting innovation and research and development in the electronics industry. A task force was established by the Ministry of Communications and Information Technology to define a roadmap for the electronics and IT industries in India. In its recommendations to the Government of India, the task force emphasized the need to foster a sustainable ecosystem for innovation, research and development, and manufacturing, and to encourage intellectual property creation, especially for developmental schemes, defense, and strategic needs. Green technology is the need of the hour. It provides not only opportunities for immense business growth, but also viable options for a sustainable future. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh recently stated that India must invest in its own environmentally friendly technologies. Intellectual property is an indispensable asset for encouraging innovation and out-of-the-box solutions to overcome the crisis facing our planet. Just between the years 1998 to 2008, 215,000 patent applications have been filed worldwide for clean energy. In order to bring green technologies to the market in an expeditious manner, the United States Patent and Trademark Office has initiated a green technology pilot program in which an applicant may have its application advanced out of turn for examination where the invention pertains to certain green technologies. I would like to conclude by quoting Francis Gurry, the Director General of the World Intellectual Property Organization, Human activity, including decades of technological development, has damaged our planet. Widespread pollution and spiraling consumption of the world's mineral and biological reserves have put unprecedented stress on the environment. Climate change is one of the greatest threats ever faced by society. Glaciers are disappearing, desertification is increasing. In Africa alone, between 75 and 250 million people will face increased water shortages by 2020. As human activity caused the problem, so too can human activity find the solutions. Green innovation, the development and diffusion of technological means to tackle climate change, is key to halting the depletion of the Earth's resources. The race is on to develop accessible alternative sources of energy as we work to harness the wind and tides, capture the power of the sun, and tap the geothermal energy underground. New plant varieties are being developed to withstand drought and flooding. New environmentally friendly materials will help us to construct a more sustainable world. The power of human ingenuity is our best hope for restoring the delicate balance between ourselves and the environment. It is our greatest asset in finding solutions to this global challenge, enabling us to move forward from the carbon-based gray technologies of the past to the carbon-neutral green innovation of the future. Thank you, and I look forward to our further interaction throughout the day.